What's going on, you guys? So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace, or if you guys want to upgrade your map lights or dome lights in your 2002 Hyundai Elantra. I work on a 2000 to 2006, but I've already upgraded mine to LED, so you guys can see. So I'll be using this, a little screwdriver. I think just anything there'll be a little notch right here. There you go. Pops right off. But just take the bulb out, put it in. So that'll be your map. So you guys can see, has little slots right here. Put it back. I'm gonna start at the back. It should just clip right on. So you go LEDs. These are nice and bright. Let's go to the back, do the dome. As you can see, we're in the back now.